Today, I am standing in this really boring room that we're going to be transforming with this beautiful mural. Guys, I have Katie here with me, and she is the expert in anything to do with wall coverings. And I'm excited to have you here with us, Katie. Tell our viewers a little bit about yourself.
Well, thank you so much for having me. I get to transform rooms every single day. I absolutely love my job. Wallpaper can be a texture, it can be a mural, it can be a pattern, it can be anything you want right now. Wallpaper is the perfect tool to transform any space in your house.
Especially white rooms like this, Katie. You have a clean canvas to work with. So let me tell you, we go back a few months and we have been going through different options for our client. And Katie came up with the perfect paper for this room. But before we go there, I want you to explain to the viewers, what is the difference between a mural and wallpaper? Because this gets confusing sometimes. Not many people know what the difference is.
Yeah, so mural is a large scale image. Every panel is gonna be different. So you can't screw it up because there's no going back, there's no extra paper. But with a traditional wallpaper roll, it comes in a roll and then you gotta find the pattern and then you kind of slice through the roll, whereas a mural, it's already set for you with the size of your wall.
So it's easier to work with a mural than wallpaper?
I would say so, yeah. There's no pattern matching in that sense because the mural has already figured it out for you where your panels start and where they stop.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna take you through the process from the beginning, and Katie's gonna take us there because I have zero experience in this. I've never done a wallpaper installation, actually been there for it. So I'm really excited to do this with you.
Yeah, let's walk through the process.
Let's go. So I'm seeing a lot of equipment here that I'm not used to, and I haven't seen something like this before. So it's interesting to me when you brought it in, I was like, is that a ladder? Is that a step ladder? And it turned into this. What is it?
This is my Fix pasting machine. So this is gonna basically apply the glue onto the wallpaper for me, and then I'm gonna put it right onto the wall. So it's gonna go really, really fast.
Okay, so wallpaper goes through, it gets wet, and then boom.
Oh, it gets glued.
Yeah, like it gets glued, it gets wet, it gets glued, it gets soaked in. I wasn't thinking in my mind when you said I'm gonna put the glue on originally, I thought you're gonna traditionally, grab your roller and start putting glue on and then paste it on. So they've made life easy. So just for our viewers to know, if they wanna do this at home, I don't know if you advise against it or you're for it, but we're gonna try to make it easy for you guys. So walk us through, tell us what other tools you need to make this process easier for our viewers if they're gonna attempt to do it themselves.
Well, first of all, this is a product that needs to be glued. So either you would need a tray with a roller to apply the glue onto the wall. You can of course use a pasting machine. And other than that, these are your tools.
This?
A smoother and a blade.
And that's it.
That's it.
I love it.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing that we have drop sheets to protect our floors. We have a ladder because not many people are 7 foot tall.
No, I wish I was tall enough.
Yeah, where they don't need a ladder to start installing. And then just some like cloths and some water just to clean up. So it's just the basic stuff really.
Yep, we've got smoother, we've got blade, we've got the pasting machine. If you're not using a pasting machine, you just need a roller tray, like a paint roller with an actual roller cage.
Okay.
And you're gonna be pasting the wall. So that is how
Just
this
the traditional painting style.
Exactly,
okay.
yeah. So that's how this wallpaper is installed.
Okay.
It's a paste the wall product.
Okay, perfect. So what's step one?
Well, step one is we're gonna sand the wall.
Okay.
We're gonna take off our cover plates.
Yes.
And then we're gonna do our panel layout.
Ooh, okay. Can I help you?
Yes.
Yes, let's do it together. So Katie, I know it must be like the most simplest part for you, but can you walk us through the sanding and how it's done? Because I was picturing you start from one side and you go up like this, but you seem to be like wanting to do this.
However you want to sand,
Yeah.
you gotta sand. So
Okay.
I have a nice sanding block here and you just glue that on the wall.
So it's just to get like the dust and just make it a little bit smoother.
Yeah, we want the wall nice and baby soft smooth.
Okay, I feel the difference. I'm feeling it. It works. Okay, so let me do this. We're getting this ready, guys. This is wallpaper installation by 2 women done to perfection. Check it out. Guys, so just to make this a little bit more challenging, we just lost power, but we're still gonna fight through and do this, Katie, huh?
Oh yeah, we've got the blinds open. We're good.
Okay, I'm about to get my own apron, guys.
Here we go. We're putting you to work.
Thank you. I like it. All right, I just wasn't expecting this, so I wore heels today, and yeah, we're gonna make this work. So what are we doing right now?
We're gonna get the machine ready next. So
Okay.
we're gonna probably do a glue pour shot.
Okay. Pour in the glue. Wow. Yeah, this already looks a little tricky to me. So I'm gonna leave this part for Katie to show you guys, because if it were up to me, I'd probably tip it or flip it or get glue all over me.
Don't worry, I gotcha.
I know you do. I've never even seen men professional installers come with something like this. You are like a step above.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
They are not cheap, but they are totally worth the money because I use this machine practically every single day.
Yeah.
When I'm using this size of paper.
Amazing. For all you wallpaper installers, make the investment. Ooh, that's super easy. Do I like hold it from the bottom? What do I do?
Nothing.
Nothing? See, like I would have never known that you have to do this.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
All right, and then we've got our cut mark here coming up.
So Katie, if our viewers want to get a machine like this and make life easier for themselves, where do they go to find something like this? Because I don't think I've ever seen something like this at like Home Depot or anything.
Oh goodness, no. So these
Okay.
machines are made in Germany by Tapofix. So you can either order directly through Tapofix. I'll link to the information below.
Yes.
And of course, I did a whole pasting machine video on it on my YouTube channel at Katie's Wallpaper.
Guys, check out her YouTube channel. She has some amazing installations. I always go to your Instagram is one of the first things that pops up on my feed, and I'm always like, comment. So go on, check her out because she's fabulous at what she does.
We did our panel layout. We've got our mark here on the wall. I've got my laser set up for our straight line, and we're ready to paper.
Perfect. Guys, I'm already loving this. So Katie, tell me, the wallpaper products that you get, you have your own line as well.
I do, yes.
Remix walls.
Remix walls. On Instagram, I've been following Katie for a long time now. Not only do I love the wallpaper and products she uses, just her personality and the fact that, you know, she's such a go-getter. She just really caught my eye. Going from there to your own line, how is it different from, like, do you do murals and wallpaper, or is it like your own designs that you came up with? Like, how did you do that?
So Remix Walls, we're actually launching collection 2 very soon, which I'm very excited about. We have 20 new designs. So they are murals, but what's different about Remix is that they are connecting murals.
Okay.
So usually with murals, they'll take a pattern and this part here doesn't connect to that end part there.
Okay.
So it's difficult to do whole spaces in murals because murals are generally for one wall. Well, I wanted to shake that up a little bit and connect them so that we're able to do whole rooms in murals.
Oh, okay. Which is an amazing idea because it just adds such an impact to the space. So that's why it's called Remix.
I wanted to mix it up.
Remixing.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. I love it. What's the price difference between a mural like this and a wallpaper?
So traditional wallpaper comes in rolls.
Yeah.
You get about 5 lineal feet per roll, whereas a mural, you're going to custom order it to your wall size.
Okay.
So it's much more cost effective because essentially you're only ordering wallpaper just to fit this space.
Okay.
Whereas traditional wallpaper, you always have a little bit leftovers of the ends of the rolls.
Right.
But it's okay because it's good to have extra.
Okay, so then there's no wastage here.
No wastage with murals.
Okay. Okay. So it's cost effective, and how does it last longer, or is there any difference between the two to say one is better quality than the other, or no? Same thing.
Nope.
Same thing.
Yep.
Okay.
This is going to be up here until someone's ready to take it down.
And nobody will take this down.
No,
because
it's too pretty.
It's too pretty. We have like 2 more panels, 2 or 3.
1,
2, 3, and
3
we're
panels.
done.
And then we're done. She wasn't kidding when she told me it's going to be quick. I didn't believe it, but now I do.
So fast.
So fast. Okay. So this is what you're talking about, right? You have the lines at the top.
Yep.
That's
so
it.
So the panels are pre-cut for you, so
I
there's
love it.
no guessing where the cut lines are, and your panel's ready.
But then you're going to cut this with your wall, with your ceiling line.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so you want to leave a little bit.
bit of wallpaper at the top, and
Yeah.
obviously some on the bottom,
Uh-huh.
and then we're gonna cut it to the wall size.
So this is my line here. You have everything pre-printed in a way that when you're cutting, this line and this line automatically line up. There is no guesswork.
No guessing in a mural. Each panel.
But then you put that one up there. How did you know to go an inch below your cut line?
Oh, look.
Oh, I still match the pattern.
You matched it and then
I'll reveal the pattern. Yes.
So you match your lines and then you just cut your corner. I love
cut
it.
top and bottom in the corners.
This is actually the fun part. You can tell me if I'm doing it wrong.
No, it's
Like, look at
perfect.
my wallpaper.
You're doing perfect. Very top to bottom, and
Keep smoothing.
So this wallpaper, what I love about it is the fact that it looks textured when you're standing far away, but it's actually not. Like even, because everything we order is online. So you're sending me photos, I'm going online looking at them. And all of this kind of linen look looks really textured online, but it does so here too. Like it's pretty much exactly what you see.
It looks real, essentially,
Yeah.
but the wallpaper is flat.
Yeah,
it's
it looks like
incredible.
it's like fabric, right? But I love it. I love that like 3-dimensional kind of look that it gives. This is really powerful stuff, I feel. This is how you transform rooms. And I always say in my projects, and you guys all know this with my love for wallpaper, like I don't know if you know this yet, but if I ever expressed my love for wallpaper, I do not like paint. Like paint goes where necessary, but if you want to add a lot of impact to a room, this is the way to go, as you can see.
Oh.
And you're a believer. Are you a
100%.
believer of wallpaper?
My whole house is wallpaper. I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with it. What else can you do that transforms a room in under an hour?
Yeah.
And it looks amazing in the
I mean,
space.
you're spending a little bit, but imagine putting paint and then putting up a lot of art. Even that wouldn't give you the impact that this is given. To put up, like fill up this whole wall with art and you still wouldn't get this effect.
Can't get the texture.
No.
Yeah, and the warmth that the paper gets.
Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, this room is gonna look so hot, guys. Hot, hot, hot. Oh my gosh, this is the final cut and we're done. I cannot believe how speedy fast that was. Unbelievable.
We're
and
done.
it looks so good. Katie, my gosh, this is like a lot better than I even anticipated. I did not expect this. I'm excited because I want to go get our client and surprise him. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yes?
Yes?
Okay.
I've kept you away for a little bit.
I'm in
But we're
suspense.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Quick? Okay.
I watched every step of the way and I was drooling the whole time, but I want to see your reaction.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I actually want to see your reaction.
We're coming from this angle?
And then just turn, okay?
Okay.
Okay, really quick.
Now I'm nervous.
Go for it.
Okay. Wow.
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 How cool are we? Huh?
That looks amazing.
Isn't it? So it goes with the whole theme of your house. And one of the reasons I fell in love with this design was check out, these are his dining chairs, Katie. Like, look at the color combination.
Yeah.
And now, like, we've moved up all of these tones up here in your man cave office.
Yes.
You're not going to leave this room by the time I'm done with you.
No.
This is going to be like the it spot.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to this. This
So,
is cool.
How would you, was it, we gave you some photos, like in
Yeah.
the mood board.
Yeah.
And?
It looks way more dimensional.
Uh-huh.
Like you can see how it looks in the photos, but there's like so much more depth here.
Yes.
And it is very different seeing it in the room.
It's very.
So I kind of knew sort of what palettes we'd be looking at.
Yes.
But this is incredible.
Yes.
Wow.
So the next step, and we're gonna get this on TV, because I can't have you say no to me. You ready?
Sure.
We want to lime wash the walls, and that's gonna cost a little bit. I'm gonna get you a quote, okay?
Okay.
We'll talk about it later.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm up for adventure.
If not,
Yeah.
I'm thinking let's paint the walls, okay?
Okay.
So it looks gorgeous right now still, but I'm thinking if we go a little bit warmer
Oh, okay.
on these walls, then
yeah.
the whole room will just kind of come together more and
Cool.
blend in a little bit more with the wallpaper than have, because I know originally when we renovated,
Yeah.
Claudio just went white with everything,
Yep.
right? Everything
Yeah, yeah.
was neutral. If you want, and if you're open to it, I can speak with him because furniture is going to come in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So maybe we
Oh,
can
I see.
have him come in here one day, paint the walls and the ceiling. Like, I
Cool.
kind of don't want to see white in here.
All right.
Unless, because this is your working space,
Yeah.
you feel like you want it to be airy and
This is really turning into the like Zoom room, so we might as well have fun.
have fun, huh?
Yeah. If you
He's
want to paper
amazing.
every angle, I'm up for adventure. Let's do it.
Yes,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
do it. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
excited. Well, our wallpaper is installed now. Step one to our transformation of this room. Katie, I'm so glad I got to collaborate with you on our first project together. And guys, if you want to see more of Katie's work and her products, make sure you go on to Instagram at Katie's Wallpaper. Really get inspired because that's how I found her and she's fantastic. Thank you so much for your help with all of this.
Such a great
Time. Thank you.
Wait to see the finished space.
Yes, I'm definitely going to share my photos with you. And better yet, guys, I want to challenge you on something because I need to get this video to 1,000 likes by you, my amazing viewers. And if you do get me to 1,000 likes, Katie, we're gonna post and do a video of our mansion powder room project. We've ordered the wallpaper from Katie. It's out of this world. Honestly, I've never seen something so beautiful. Well, obviously there are other beautiful products, but this one is just so fantastic and I can't wait to have you do it. And I want to show you guys that process because it's completely different than this. So let's get inspired. Take me to 1,000 likes. Make sure you comment on this video. Check her out on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram and we'll see you in the next video.